Landon, this will be your last flight with me.
God, I get to
Thank
leave.
God, yeah.
Gaudi 嘅設計咧，越睇越靚啦，百幾年歷史嘅 lift，哇，壯觀啊！
你睇夠我，咁你買翻啤酒，俾翻我話。
Reykjavik grounds, Sirius November 90904 Charlie Echo request IFR clearance to Wick.
Beautiful. Come on.
Maybe just our luck, we finally get out. A bird flies into our propeller when we're sitting on the ground.
Shut up. Shut up, Landon. Let's go quicker.
Go faster?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
85.
I don't know why all of a sudden you like to go slow.
We didn't check any commercial plane and now we're in Europe. My past life is just circuit, hotel, pretty similar to what we're doing now. Circuit, airport, hotel, airport, hotel.
由於飛越 Atlantic Ocean，我要帶架飛機去巴塞隆納做一次大嘅維修，所以會由我太太首先帶大家去西班牙嘅巴塞隆納睇下先。
第一站我哋嚟到米拉之家，係藝術家高第1906至1912年嘅作品，為咗當時嘅富商米拉夫婦而興建嘅。高第有一個理念，直線係屬於人類，但係曲線係屬於上帝。佢跟隨上帝嘅腳步，取材於大自然。佢嘅建築全部都係曲線嘅設計。景點保留咗原先公寓嘅設計，我哋可以見到當時富裕人家嘅裝潢。
主人房床個 BB 都喺隔離啊，有 BB 床喎，咁高喎張台，中意香港多啲。香港多嘢食，我中意食嘢。哇！
天台係米拉之家嘅參觀重點，呢度嘅設計最表現到佢天馬行空嘅概念，例如呢啲好似羅馬士兵鋼盔形嘅煙筒，同埋呢個用香檳樽碎片黐成嘅石柱，靚得嚟又有心思。高第認為家具唔只係擺設，亦都係建築嘅一部分。呢啲家具唔單止係靚嘅柔和曲線，同時都符合近年成日講嘅人體工學。
So Landon, this will be your last flight with me. Been a blast or you finally, yes, I can go home.
Thank God I get
Thank
to leave.
God, yeah.
I think the biggest problem is that you're gonna miss me.
I don't think so, because other people might make me file, make me do the pre-flight, do all the hard work and they fly. Okay, so I think it's probably time I show you my actual flying skill. I'll hand fly all the way.
Okay, let's go. Start it up. Let's go.
Nah, just kidding.
巴特羅之家係1906年嘅建成，都係高第設計嘅建築。同米拉之家唔同嘅係，呢度充滿奇幻嘅風格，好似置身海洋世界一樣。聽聞高第設計呢間屋嘅時候，因應主人嘅喜好，加咗好多海洋嘅元素。
睇落好似風琴咁樣，其實係魚嘅魚鬚咧。咁咧為咗通風，我哋可以透光。開晒，咁樣啦。
呢個建築物裏面咧最特別咧，我覺得就係呢一部百幾年歷史嘅 lift 啦，只係可以坐1至2個人嘅啫。我哋試下咯喎。
拜拜。
我諗8、9年前咧，阿 Paul 咧就曾經都係嚟咗巴塞隆納啦。咁佢就買咗一啲杯，阿 Gaudi 嘅設計咧越睇越靚啦，同埋好特別。巴特羅之家呢幾年仲引入咗個藝術裝置，可以360度體驗高第腦海入面嘅世界。
睇完呢個 AI show 咧係好靚嘅個 colour，不過企得耐咧有少少暈暈地嘅感覺，但係5分鐘可以支持到嘅。
我去咗而家10幾個 stop， 第一次見到有呢啲咁嘅 machine。
心啦！好啦，而家阿女每人有一個啦，一個。
咁我嗰份呢？
我哋而家嚟到 Universitat de Barcelona。
我好似返以前讀書嘅感覺啊！呢間學校係好靚、好壯觀啊！即係好少學校可以睇到有咁多咁有歷史嘅油畫啦。哇！好大張，應該價值連城啊，簡直真係值得欣賞。
呢個禮堂超壯觀啊！哇！我都想喺呢度拎畢業證書戴4方帽啊！
Can you explain this? When I fly one of your planes, I have to pay. When you fly my plane, I have to pay.
Yeah. Pay for my time.
How does that work? Doesn't make sense.
Pay for my service.
It doesn't make sense.
So we should pay you to fly your plane?
Yeah.
Then you just fly it.
See, you're young. You're 21. You shouldn't have that type of thinking. You should think outside the box. What do you think? Should I do the laundry today?
Yeah, you're gonna have time today. You also have time tomorrow.
If I do it tomorrow, Annika can do it on me.
There you go. Done deal.
Easy.
Easy.
我哋咧今日就嚟到呢個 Sagrada Familia。
聖家堂係高第最登峰造極嘅遺作，自1882年開始興建，但途中因為資金不足、西班牙內戰等原因，到而家施工接近150年都未起好。誕生立面、受難立面、榮耀立面，每一個立面都描述住唔同嘅耶穌誕生故事、受難死亡同末世榮耀降臨嘅景象。呢個數字雕刻上下左右加埋都係等於33，象徵住耶穌受難嘅年紀。
聖家堂咧就預計2033年咧就會完成成座建築物，2026咧只不過係完成個塔尖嗰個部分咋，將會。
对，因为有日本设计，
不如全知我喺度。
当时三六啊，耶路撒冷。
係，再嚟個，你個，得嚟個。你就打槍搭住你3.7啊，咁慢嘅反應，真實。喂，咁啱嘅喂，喺度撞到你嘅喂，好開心啊！喂，拜拜啦。
去邊度啊？嚟啊！你唔會去啲地方。
所以咪係同你去咯，我點會去啫？一明嘅，你嚟過嘅發生故事。
我冇嚟過喎，我自己嚟過點會唔知啊？你有冇玩嘢啦？你傻啊？
梗啦，有。
我冇買過杯咯，我先6月。
有。我遲早啊，有隻腳突然間識一無神，就揾到張相㗎啦！你睇，我好肯定我喺度留下嘅書。
亞洲嚟講咧，飛機其實係好難接觸嘅。朋友俾 advice 啦，咁佢哋都覺得其實呢個 trip 係好難，甚至乎做唔到。咁我就有少少鬥氣嘅心態啦。咁我覺得其實真係唔係咁難做啫，應該做得到嘅喎。而家我哋去到路程嘅1/3，咁我都覺得係唔係咁簡單。但係如果你有心做嘅，係可以做得到嘅。
Right, this is your best landing of the trip. Been horrible this trip.
你做咩袋個咪皮？
你哥，
嚟 Madrid 梗係要嚟拉斯班塔斯睇鬥牛啦！
Let's go！ 係你睇鬥牛，梗係要買翻啤酒啦。我細個睇過一次，好殘忍。
我未嚟過啊，直頭未睇過。好彩都買得次飛，係啊，琴日買嗰啲飛係琴日買。
Very good。好彩，好撞色。咦？撞色喎。 我話
比起美國 Texas 嗰啲鬥咗殘忍好多，真係。
嗰啲唔會係兔人，啲係殺。
如果唔係大人去睇，我諗應該好睇啊！但係氣氛真係好。
天氣不似預期，連坐氣球都係。
我要去掃尿片啊！你有冇試過俾人抽陀地嘅？
我唔係好穩。